Come along as we tour the new Gigaparts store in Huntsville, Alabama today in Off-Duty Ham Radio. Gigaparts unboxing. Well, yourself?
Doing well.
It's been crazy in here this week already?
Yeah, today is actually, this right here is the calmest it's been all day. We've been getting 60, 70 people at a time, and usually the people come in and stay for 2 or 3 hours.
I have to say, for the road mics, I do have those, and I approve.
Yeah, they're good.
I have that, not that. You may see I have a Rode on, but I'm borrowing Chase's right now.
Quarter of the way into the store yet.
Not even close. Oh no, Chase.
What?
We are in the clearance section.
Clearance
what are we
section.
going to come out with? Last time we were together in the clearance section, we both came out with 710s.
There's a couple of battery boxes over here for
Already pre-drilled.
pre-rolled battery boxes. I don't see a price on them now, so might have to steer clear.
Which I think is pretty fair. Could be fair. Be really good depth for all the radios.
I think this one's also here.
No, it doesn't have a fan in it. But these would be really good depth for your radios and all the stuff in front,
sure.
keyboards and whatnot. And gaming and
59
radios.
bucks. Here's the flight sims without $4.99 for the racing sim and $7.99 for the flight sim.
Yeah, my credit card's been hurt. Good thing we brought the truck. Hobbies galore over here. pretty fun. Solar panels. There's Chase over there. Look at that funny guy. I don't know if there's a hobby or interest that's not represented here. Shrink tubing. Model engines. Model jet engine. Elevators. 3D printer, which I definitely need. Any suggestions, please leave a comment down below. All sorts of filament. About 26 bucks a box in filament. I'm back over here into stargazing. And kids toys. This is just one giant kids toy. Hey, with Jason Gigaparts, showing us what's new and nobody else knows about it. Right now, we got the 705 bag, the Explorer bag. Whoa. Check this out, guys. Built-in little kickstand. Works great. You can put in your power over here. Got your antenna over here. Beautiful. Now Jason's going to show us over here what I would like to use for my Heil Pro 7s. What do we have here, Jason?
So this is the headphone bag. So they just drape in here. You got space here for all of your accessory cables. If you don't want to use it for that, you can just simply pull it out. And it is the perfect width, and you can subdivide it any way you want, fit whatever you need in there. So we give you extra versatility out of it.
Fantastic. Now, what do these cost now right now?
$29.95.
$29.95 for these.
Yep.
That's unreal, folks. Come to Gigaparts or online and get your new Explorer bags first seen here. Okay.
I'll show people this. This is coming.
So Jason's now going to introduce us to another prototype, correct?
It's not out yet.
Not yet.
Yeah, it's coming.
It's coming. What's time frame? ETA?
End of the year.
End of the year, guys. So end of the year, be looking for it at gigaparts.com. It's going to show us the Explorer backpack.
Ooh, the Explorer sling bag.
Sling bag.
Here's what's cool about it. You don't even have to take it off to access it. You can literally sling it around. It presents to you right here. Here's a zipper pocket to get you into your keys, whatever it is you want. I can access this thing in its entirety, and it uses all the same components of the original backpack.
Check that out.
So this is, right now I just got the little uni bag and the laptop sleeve in here. But I can get into this and never take it off my body. I also have this little doohickey right here. So I can also just flip this down and have access to it. I can put something here and literally work on it from here. So that's instant access to that area as well.
Little tabletop right there.
Yeah. And then here is what your mast holding is going to look like on these things going forward. This is also a glimpse into the next bag. as well.
Oh, I even bet a POTA 20 could even fit in there,
Yes, it can, or bigger.
or bigger.
So it is fully expandable, and then you can latch it down with these tie-down straps. Any size you want, you can put anything in there you want. And then just when you're done, it just goes right back.
Slide back around. Fantastic. So
You can get quick into it, it just comes off like that too.
So I think that would be great for satellite use, because I like, right now I'm carrying all my equipment around my neck with a camera bag,
Right.
and still holding the Arrow 2 for satellite.
Let's say you want to be a little bit more covert and not be running around with everything. This is just a really convenient way to slap in a couple of accessory packages and just go.
Right. I think that is fantastic. You know, are you able to tell us what they're going to run price-wise?
Oh, 100%. $39.95.
So under 40 bucks, you're going to get the Photo Sling?
Yep.
Photo Sling, under 40 bucks. Look forward to Gigaparts coming in at the end of the year. And you first saw it here